A mini Big Bang may sound a bit like an oxymoron, but the geniuses behind the Large Hadron Collider are more interested in science than in syntax, and they've just used the collider to create the conditions, or rather recreate the conditions that existed in the universe a millionth of a second after the Big Bang that led to its creation. The experiment created temperatures 1,000,000 times hotter than the center of the sun. Palab Ghosh explains what it all means.
Nearly 14 billion years ago, the universe was created in what cosmologists believe was a Big Bang. Here's the first data from the Large Hadron Collider that might shed light on what the early universe might have been like. They show collisions of heavy subatomic particles, each one possibly representing a mini Big Bang. This was when the researchers first obtained their results.
This is the beginning of new era, new physics program, highest energy heavy ion collisions ever achieved, highest temperatures created in the laboratory, and we expect lots of interesting new results which have to do with how the universe was behaving at the early stages.
The particles were accelerated around a 17-mile-long underground tunnel deep beneath the Swiss-French border. They travel close to the speed of light. They then crash together and are smashed into even smaller particles. It'll take the researchers some time to see if they really have created the mini Big Bangs they'd long hoped for. But if they have, it'll enable them to study a tiny piece of the early universe in greater detail than ever before. Palab Ghosh, BBC News.
Well, the colours are great, aren't they? The great, Large Hadron Collider, underground in Switzerland. Amazing story. Stay with us for a final word here on BBC World News America.